Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to connect your Solana PAWS address or wallet to your website. Now if you click on the earning aspect below, you'll be able to go to this in-game. You'll be able to see that you need to connect your wallet via web. And how can you be able to do that? All you just need to do is to click on this start, and once you click on the start, it will take you to the website. If you are using Chrome or if you're using any browser, all you just need to do is to follow this process. Now once you click on it, it will bring you to this site. Now all you just need to do is to follow the process I'm going to show you below here. Now go down to your Chrome or your search engine at the top or anywhere. Now if you're using the iPhone, you just click on this. Now copy this link here, copy the link in which you just open. Now copy it, and now you go to your wallet. Now I'm going to be using the Phantom wallet, in which you need to use in connecting your Solana to Solana wallet here. So I will go to my Phantom wallet. Now once I go to my Phantom wallet and it's open, the next thing I have to do is to come to this below here. You see this last button here, you click on it. Now here at the top on the search engine here, you paste the URL link here, so that it will take you to the PAWS network or what you have been browsing, all of that. So to take it to the PAWS community here, you'll be able to put in or connect your wallet via the website. So I'll allow you to load up. Remember, you copy the link in which you have earlier, and you are going to be posting it on the URL link here. Now once it load up, it will bring you to this page where you need to tell you PAWS animals are done. It's PAWS season, verify yourself. Now once you click on this verify yourself, you'll be able to see this option here. You will see connect Ton wallet and connect Solana wallet. Now we are going to connect our Solana wallet. Now this is on the website. Remember, this is on the website. Now you click on this Solana wallet, and it will now say connect Solana wallet, and you are going to use the Phantom wallet. I already have the Phantom wallet downloaded on my phone. You just need to download it and then verify your account, put in your 12 phrase and all of that, and save it and that. So once you do that, click on this Phantom wallet, and you will see these two options. One is telling you connect Phantom wallet, and one is telling you install Phantom wallet. You go for the first option, you click on the Phantom wallet, and once you open your Phantom wallet, you'll be able to see this option here telling you that you should connect your wallet. Now this is on the app on Phantom. After you have clicked that button, now you will now click on connect, and it will load up again. It will load up, allow it to load up, and automatically you see last setup. You see last step to connect, sign the message, and once I sign the message, I click on sign message here. It will load up and verify. Now all I have to do is to connect. I'll click on this connect. Now it's swapping between my Phantom wallet and the website. So it's swapping between the two, and it's connecting. Now as you can see here, my Phantom wallet has already been connected. Are you seeing it? It's already connected. So I did not connect my Ton wallet. Rather, I connected my Phantom wallet, and as you can see here, it's already connected. Now all I have to do is to load up or reload my PAWS on my Telegram and see the connection. Now as you can see here, it has been able to be connected. Are you seeing it, guys? So once you have been able to connect or do this process I just showed you, you'll be able to see that it will be connected. So this is all you need to do. Once you have been able to do, your wallet is already connected. So if you follow this process, you'll be able to get or connect your wallet successfully on the website and on your Telegram account. So if you have any more questions, leave your comment in the comment section. I will attend to it. If you came from this video, give me a favor by subscribing, like, and also share. So see you in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.